Estás en la mezcla con DJ.
Dozens of countries, thousands of fans. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands in the air.
See me tryna make my money and you wanna come around tryna hate though. I see a lot of niggas out here tryna play your friend but they fake though. Anytime I'm around they wanna act up like some bitch hoe. Put it in my pocket, let me treat you like a bitch though. I put it in my pocket so I could treat you like a bitch hoe. I ain't got no time. Gang, it's a new year, new vintage. I told y'all I'm still out here in the streets, still out here in the field. You know what I mean? Now I'm here in the motherfucking basement doing it real Godzilla. Got music, editing, vlogging, making, you know, I'm all in it, you know, so like here doing this, saying that. I'm out here ready to support all the youngsters who got aim and definite purpose in life. You check it, if you got definite purpose in life, holla. Done this here by myself, ain't had no help from nobody, so then I know what it takes to be like struggling, trying to get it all off your own. When your parents get it for yourself, I know how that is, I know how that be. And if you don't know, I'll let you know. But then, anyway, this was ain't for all of that, but this was the introduction. So now saying this, saying that, I'll show you my first day, flying my drone after I got it. I know what the fuck went wrong, but then like, I think I didn't adjust my frames, 24 frames per seconds of whatever, you know. And now I got it set. So then I'm gonna show you the first day, then I'm gonna go into the second day. So then like, now I'm feeling much greater. So then like, you don't know, follow the movement, you can see more greater things in the motherfucking city. I told you all I rep in the A all day, every fucking day. Just put all the bullshit aside. I've been there, done that. Now I'm here doing my business, you know, minding my business, doing my business. Like, let me get into it furthermore. And the music what you're hearing in the background is produced by me, edited by me, you know, everything put together by LA Locos Record, PHE, Sickly. You know how, the whole 9 yard. And now we just like, for ages we was trying to get out there on the market, but then nobody wasn't checking for us yet, yeah? So then like, though we are talented, once you don't have the right people, them in the right places, in the right spot, who going to push you out there and bring you up with them, you don't gonna have it. So then like, they're gonna keep you down. So that right now, let me go into drone day number 1. They know a nigga smelling just like manure. I told her I'm coming entrepreneur. First one for the fucking team, but until the day I die. Don't fuck around with me, I'm telling you, nigga, you gonna fucking die. My nigga told me, Stone Maccaroni, don't fuck around, get the fucking cheese. You know what I told these niggas, I'm getting the fucking cheese. I ain't playing around with them niggas, there's some teeny weeny, and I don't fuck around. For the life I live, thank you Lord, oh Lord forgive. Thank you Lord, for the life I live. Thank you Lord, only you forgive. Thank you Lord, for the life I live. Thank you Lord, for the life you give. Thank you Lord, only you forgive. Thank you Lord,
in this bitch, Stony Macca. Better get this shit right. You heard me? It's my time. Bye. And girls, don't forget the kids.
You are now rocking with the best.
Estás en la mezcla con
Them niggas out here telling lies. Them niggas out here telling lies. Them niggas out here telling lies. These niggas out here telling lies. These niggas out here telling lies. These niggas out here telling lies. They don't realize. I got it. These niggas out here telling lies. These niggas they lying, they talking to the folks. These niggas lying, they pretending that all of that money making, they know they ain't making jack. They only doing the shit, it's a class act. They better watch me when I'm coming. You know when I'm running, I'm doing this shit for the fun and my money, man, my money, man. I'm running like the running man, I'm running like the running man. I couldn't understand what you're talking, man. Bullshit then. I got my shit blocker out. Niggas wanna talk about, run that shit out your mouth. Block 'em. I don't give a fuck about what you talking out your mouth. I know that it's all about drought. It don't do nothing for me, man, cause I am a money man and the local master plan. Yeah, I don't know where you from, man. I don't need your lies, man. Keep it for your. Them niggas out here telling lies. Them niggas out here telling lies. Them niggas out here telling lies. These niggas out here telling lies. These niggas out here telling lies. These niggas out here telling lies. They don't realize. These niggas out here telling lies. About how many houses they got, how many cars they got, but they even got a lot. Talking this and that, thinking that they fucking shit. The niggas be renting shit, borrowing shit. I ain't down, nigga, fuck that shit now. I ain't down, nigga, fuck that shit now. I'ma hold my round, keep it up, down. Then I go downtown, spend my money, come back round. All these niggas some bitches, talking about me snitches. Better watch me good, niggas, better watch me good. I'ma come up good. Make my money hood, make my money hood. All my money good.
026, Illuminati, you know how we do it. Oh wow!
I never told you, never fuck around with until it, niggas. I'm the type of nigga ready to run up in your house, nigga. When you fuck around, you fuck around, you fuck around with me, nigga. I ain't got no time for no little pissy tail, nigga. Pissy tail. Better don't step up, cause they getting wet, nigga. I'm telling these niggas, better don't try to test, nigga. Me, I'm a OG representing BAG, nigga. I'm a PIMP, don't fuck with no dumb niggas. I'm a real G. Why you want so? Because you got a gun in your band, so you feel that you're a bad man, no. Not with me though. Why you want so? You must have didn't know that I was from Curacao. Born Antillean gangster, you know how we go on though. Bring it overseas, jumping in your slow. What the fuck you niggas thinking I was a hoe? How would do you though? Gun call of you. I don't give a fuck, I'll tape you in the fucking floor. I rip your end and let you know the fucking score. You know who? Why you want so? Because you got a gun in your pants, so you feel that you're a bad man, no. Not with me though. Your baby mama be telling me that you so fugazi. That's why she wanna fuck me, she wanna have my baby. She said that I'm a real man and I don't be playing around. I don't be fucking around. I really get down, I beat it up, I beat it up, I beat it up like a fucking drum. Beat it up, I beat it up, I beat it up like a drum. Hit it up, tell a friggin' come. And if you got a gun in your pants, so you feel that you're a bad man, no, not with me though. My niggas no stone, I'm a real ass G. Morning, noon, night, in the dawn, then you can catch me on the grind for show. I ain't no bitch, I ain't no fool, about making dope, about. Them niggas out here telling lies. Them niggas out here telling lies. Them niggas out here telling lies. These niggas out here telling lies. These niggas out here telling lies. These niggas out here telling lies.
Estás en la mezcla con
These niggas out here telling lies. Trippin', homie. See me on the block. Trippin', homie. Trippin', homie. See me on the block. Trippin', homie. Flippin', homie. See me out here. Flippin', homie. Yada. No get homie. See me out here. Just getting it, homie. Getting trippy as a motherfucker. I just popped 2 flats and I'm out of here. Astronaut, naughty by nature. Lot of niggas out here know I'm trippy haters. Fuck around with me, you niggas turning history. I let my little niggas come and do the scenery. I'm a real G, don't take no shit from phonies. See me tapa mata niggas over there playing pata. My niggas out here, we doing real deal. Niggas know what we doing in the fucking field. No studio, no fucking gangster. Don't do no cocaine, I'm a gangster. Keep it real, cause you niggas just fool. See me on the block, trippin' homie. Trippin' homie. See me on the block, trippin' homie. Flippin' homie. See me